Hello everyone, this is Ron with Intel Investors, and for today's video I'm going to construct a MACD using Excel. Now you'll notice that I've eliminated all the unnecessary information and we're just going to focus on the main components of the MACD, which are the exponential moving averages and the closing prices. If you don't know what the EMA is, you can go to our website and click on the exponential moving averages article. You'll find it there so that you understand how the EMA is calculated. But don't worry, we're going to go over the EMA calculation in this video as well. So first we get the average of 12 days worth of closing prices, and same thing for the 26-day EMA. And now the formula for the weighting factor is 2 divided by time period plus 1. And this is 1 minus the smoothing factor. And we do the same thing for the 26-day EMA, 2 divided by 26, this time divided by, plus 1, and we just copy this down. We also have the 9-day EMA, same formula, 2 divided by 9 plus 1, and basically this is for the EMA of the difference between the 12-day EMA and the 26-day EMA. Now the formula is the latest closing price multiplied by the weighting factor, and the weighting factor minus 1 multiplied to the average. and the next day we just replace the latest closing price, the closing price of yesterday, to today's closing price, and we multiply the 1 minus the weighting factor to the EMA of yesterday. Alright, and basically we just do the same thing with the 26-day EMA. Now we just fix this one here, fix the cells, so that way when we copy it down, it's not going to differ in value. Right, now we can copy it. Alright, we just adjust the decimal places to 2. Now we calculate for the difference. Now we need to get the 27th day, and we subtract the 26th day EMA to the 12-day EMA. Now we get these results. Just gonna check. Alright, last data. Cool. Now the same formula here. You get the average of 9 days. This will be the signal line actually. Same formula, latest closing price, the 10th day, plus the weighting factor, minus 1, multiplied by the average from yesterday. Fix this one in, 11th day, okay, plus the weighting factor, the smoothing factor, fix that in, and then multiply that to yesterday. Alright. Okay, I've exceeded. Alright, I'm just gonna fix this one in. Double check. One more. Alright. Okay. So we just need a line chart for this. hold on. Oh, I think I made a mistake. We need to get the 9-day so it matches the starting date. Right. Oops. Let me do it again. Okay. And select all charts and then the line. Alright, there we go.